Welcome back to the show. Today we're talking about something I know a lot of people are curious about, how to turn sublimation into a real business, not just a craft table hobby.
Yes, and this is a big one. I get messages all the time from small business owners asking me, it's only if you approach it the right way.
So if you're a small business owner, side hustler, or someone thinking about starting a print business, stay with us. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear roadmap.
And if you're new here, I'm Alex Lee, founder of Subli Genius Print. We specialize in wholesale sublimation branded merchandise, and today we're breaking down the business side of sublimation.
Let's start with the big question. Is sublimation actually profitable in 2026?
Yes, but where people mess up, profitable if the right target, prices, repeat customers, treat a business.
So what's a realistic starting budget?
For a basic setup, around $500 to $1,000.
Okay, and what does that cover?
You're realistically looking at $800 to $1,500 to start properly. But here's the good part. Profit margins on sublimation can be strong.
I think this is where most beginners get overwhelmed. What do I sell?
Exactly, and the mistake is trying to sell everything. Corporate pick one case. Instead, pick one focus, school spirit wear.
School spirit wear, that's a great niche.
Exactly, high margins, strong community. Small business uniforms are a great way to build a professional brand.
Absolutely.
And Etsy is perfect for custom extra visibility. At Subli Genius Print, we focus heavily on bulk and wholesale because repeat orders build stable income.
So you're saying stability over randomness?
100%. One school order can beat 20 random Etsy sales.
So if someone listening today wants to start, what's the first step?
Calculate real startup cost and treat it like a business from day one. And if you want more practical guides, printer breakdowns, and real-world advice, make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Yes, hit subscribe so you don't miss future episodes.
And if you want deeper insights into sublimation business strategies, check out Subli Genius Print. We share guides, reviews, and wholesale insights for serious creators.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.